When we start understanding this concept, the very first question that should come into our mind is what are adjective of quantity? I have many friends. We have collected some money for the poor man's treatment. They have saved enough pocket money for the picnic. There are few students in the class. A lot of people attended the party. The sentences which I said just now contain various words like many, some, few, enough, and last but not the least, a lot of. These words are nothing but examples of adjective of quantity. So hello my dear YouTube family, myself Rahul Singh, and I would like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel Lore of English. And this is the second part of the video series of adjectives where I'm going to teach you the various types of adjectives, and we'll start with the first type, which is adjective of quantity. In the previous video, I introduced you all with adjectives. If you haven't watched that video or missed it by any chance, don't worry, I'm going to provide you the link of that video in the description box below. When we start understanding this concept, the very first question that should come into our mind is what are adjective of quantity? Adjective of quantity is a type of adjective in which the exact number of the noun is not specified. We mainly use adjective of quantity to describe such nouns which does not require the exact number. Like in the previous examples, the words provided did not show the exact number of any nouns, may it be friends, flowers, or students. Next, I'm going to provide you a list of some adjective of quantities with their uses in a sentence with some examples. The very first word in my list of examples is any, which is generally used in negative or interrogative kind of sentences. The second word or type of adjective of quantity in my list is some, which is basically used in affirmative kind of sentences. The next word is double, which means two, but it does not clearly instructs two in number. My next word is substantial, which means in bulk. My next word is enough, which is used both as adjective or adverb. As an adjective, it is used before the noun, and as an adverb, it is used after the noun. At last, I'm going to share with you some sentences showing the uses of various adjective of quantity. And here goes the list of sentences. She eats a whole apple daily. I ate some rice today. He has only a little knowledge about this project. I cannot spend all my money on this stupidity. There is no milk in the glass. All the students have passed the exam with flying colors. There is enough petrol to reach the destination. I know very little about classical dance. Add some sugar to my coffee. We have enough time to practice for the concert. Is there any mango in the tub? And the last example says, only a few birds are flying in the sky. Hope I made the concept of adjective of quantity clear with you all, and if I really did so, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel with your near and dear ones. Hope to see you in the next video where I'm going to teach you the concept of adjective of number. Till then, be happy, be safe, and thanks for watching.